Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Car Wars YouTube channel. Today is Saturday morning and we are going to be shooting our next video. And as you guys know it, first things first, it's pull-up time for Ed. I'm going to go see where he's at. I think he's counting them up. Hey Ed, what's going on?
What's up, man? I'm adding up them. Look at this. Look at this. I am not gonna do all these pull-ups. Thanks, car guys, but that's definitely not gonna happen. That's still one.
That's one.
That's one pull-up.
How much are you at right now?
I got four.
Four? Oh, that's not bad.
Well, so far, I just started. So.
You excited?
No. It's morning. And I'm gonna have to do more pull-ups than I can do, that's for sure.
Dang.
So, let's see. I guess you guys are like gas monkeys. Project Ivan, you're killing me with that comment, but we are trying to be like gas monkeys. Maybe one day. Oh guys, this is one of my favorite comments. The guy says, car guy says, I have a better idea. It was your idea. You do the pull-ups. I like you, man. That was funny.
Hey, who's that smart guy? Who's the smart guy? Car guy?
Car guy.
Screw that.
26.
That? He does it, chase?
27.
Oh, 27?
Yeah, so we got 27 pull-ups, boys.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. That's gonna be a good workout. Let's get these pull-ups going, get my workout in for the day, and get working on the car.
Oh, he's nervous. He's trying to look good for you guys.
He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready.
Who said that?
Alright, I gotta get my breathing right. So I'm definitely not gonna do them all at once, because that's too much for me, I know myself. But we'll do as much as we can. You gotta get the blood in your hands. This should be a training exercise.
Dude,
all right?
blood on your hands is a bad thing.
No, because I'm gonna be hanging. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I might do some kicking ones. That way I can do more at once.
One, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
14, 15. One more. 16. That's good. That's good.
Gotta take a break.
That's good stuff right there. All right, we're back for take 2. We had to cut out all the walking around and all the stretching, but he's ready for the second take. He's got 11 left.
Oh,
okay.
I'm not stretching my legs, but yeah, I didn't want you guys watching me breathing hard for a few minutes. But let's get these going.
All right, you got 11.
Okay, I'm gonna switch hands. Now I'm gonna go this way. I don't know if I can do those anymore.
Gymnast Edward. Did I mess you up?
You messed up my beat. I'm going with the beat in my head.
One, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You're killing me, man.
let's go. 9.
That's 9.
You think you're gonna do it?
I mean, I'm trying.
All right, let's help him, guys.
Oh, what the?
Hold on. Hold on. All right, 2 more. Let's go.
Moral support from YouTube.
Let's go, 11. One more. Hey, you gotta do one more because you're cheating with the bungee.
Oh, so you're cheating?
Go, go. That's 12.
What? That's it.
Look what you guys are doing to him. He's done. I need him to work. Hey, get up. We gotta get back in this vet.
I don't know if we can do that. I mean, we gotta go have breakfast or brunch or something.
Well, hey, mission complete. Mission complete.
Like, comment, and subscribe, boys and girls. Alright guys, so now that we got my morning exercise in, you know, got all swole, now I'm ready to work on the Corvette. So we got the right side knee assembly in. They actually sent it with the caliper. Let's throw it on the car and take it to the shop that has the frame machine so we can get that fixed. So we got Peter putting in the knee assembly, and I swapped out the radiator support, so I changed that out, and then there was a little plug that was ripped off, so I soldered that back on, so the wiring is all good and intact over here. I just stuck it in there so we can transport the Corvette. So this is all set, and let's get this put on so we can get it on the trailer. So we got this all put on and bolted on, hooked up the brake lines. So now we gotta get all the air out of the lines, take all the wheels off, and probably just pump all the calipers through. So we did 4 caliper flush. Look at that. This is already like our 3rd or 4th cup. And when doing a brake fluid flush, you gotta start with the furthest wheel, then go to that wheel, then this one, then that one. We got all the air out of the lines and the nasty dirty fluid, so we got perfectly clean fluid with no air. All right, so brakes are good. We put everything on that we need to put on. Just gotta throw this wheel on to make it a roller and put it on the trailer. Time to take you for a first drive. At least drive out of the shop. Look at that.
Plus, nothing, no lights.
No lights on the cluster except
the
for the airbag. Look at that. That is nice. We don't even have to clear anything. so quiet. Okay, hold on, slow down. Go a little that way. Okay, straighten out. Oh, okay. Keep her coming that way. I think that should be good. All right, we're here at the frame. Bring it in. All right, so we got it strapped down, threw a bunch of chains, took everything apart so we can start measuring what needs to go where. Let's check out this dedication. We're working and it's snowing outside. Look at this. South Carolina. They're saying we're supposed to get a foot of snow. Look at all this snow. I mean, that's a good few inches. Gotta clean these ramps off. I hope we can make it on. We got straight up snowed in. We're heading back to our shop. It's 11:48 right now, Saturday evening. And this is not normal for South Carolina, if you guys, if anybody's not sure. Let's hope we can make it back because we got a two-wheel drive truck. Guys, look at these winter conditions. This Corvette probably never seen snow. Oh, the brakes ain't working. The brakes aren't working. Alright, so we are back in the shop. We put it back on the jack stands. We had to dry it up because it was covered in snow. But now it is time to glue in this inner fender. So Peter just cleaned it up, prepped it all up. We gotta throw on the special glue and let this baby set overnight. So we are done for the day. It was a long day. We've been here since the morning and it is 2 a.m. right now. So we got the frame fixed and also we glued on the fender, the inner fender. So now we're ready to go home. But first, we're gonna go and build a snowman. We'll see you guys on the next one.